singing again. Blessing, honor, strength, and power. Let's give him that. Let's say it and not sing it. Say it, lift it up to him. Not just words connected together because of music, but the cry of our heart. Blessing, honor, strength, and power. Think of that. Yours alone, now and forever. Love, this word could never stop. There is no one like our God. He's reaching out to touch the broken. Say, he's reaching to touch me. Mercy breaking through this moment, and I receive, Lord.